हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मेरे चैनल मिस्टर सेफ्टी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जो बात करने जा रहे हैं वो बात बेसिकली एक कंपैरिजन है बिटवीन ISO 45001 एंड OSHAS 18001, हाउ इट हैज बीन ट्रांसमिटेड or transformed from OSHAS 18001 to ISO 45001. So what is ISO 45001? 45001 is an international standards of occupational health and safety management system which provides a framework to the management and to manage workplace risks, enhance safety, and improve well being. The main key features of this ISO 45001 is that it is a risk based approach which helps you proactively identify and mitigate risks. Leadership involvement ensures that management commitment to safety culture is adhered to. Also focuses upon employee participation that promotes workers' involvement in safety programs, which was missing somewhere. It is also an integration of ISO 9001 quality and ISO 14001 environment, and also encourages the safety enhancement and as a continuous improvement program. The difference between ISO 45001 and OSHA's 18001 is here mentioned below in the tabular form, wherein you can understand that ISO 45001 was adopted in year March 2018, whereas OSHA's 18001 is in operation since 1990. The approach is risk-based approach to safety management in ISO 45001, whereas it was focused upon more on a hazard control. Risk was not discussed in OSHA's 18001, so it's a risk-based approach now. Structure follows Annexure SL for integration and it has a unique structure. Leadership, the focus on leadership has improved and increased in ISO 45001 when it comes to the comparison with OSHA's 18001. So you will see more of a leadership engagement when it comes to ISO 45001 implementation and execution. Also, workers' participation in ISO 18001 was less compared to that in 45001. So 45001, the workers' participation has improved and it will not be on a selective basis. It would totally be on an elective basis, which means that the management cannot identify an individual to be a part of the committees. Instead, the workers will have rights to elect their participant in the committees and meetings. It is a proactive risk management wherein OSHA's 18001 was a reactive hazard control, that it was all done post facto analysis, wherein it would be a proactive analysis. It is aligned with ISO 9001 and 14001, which and whereas OSHA's was not at all aligned to any of the ISO standards so far. Why transition is required from 18001 to 45001? Because to enhance safety, to enhance focus on proactive risk management, it was required to get a transition. Integration with other standards was also required so that we can have a unique standard wherein all these other standards can be incorporated and can be made into one standard. Employee involvement and leadership engagement in 18,000 was lagging somewhere, was missing somewhere. Hence, it becomes a necessity to bring in a standard wherein the involvement and the commitment of the management increases significantly. Also, to modernize the framework for global applicability, it was required that ISO 45001 is brought into scene. By March 2021, the agencies was supposed to have a transition from 18,001 to 45,001. What are the advantages of 45,001 implementation? It has improved workplace safety and reduced incidents. It will increase employee trust and participation because they would themselves will be engaging into the activities. Compliance with international safety standards will also improve. So industries will not be having their different standards. They would be having a standard which would be in line with the international safety standards. Better integration with quality environment management system, so that there would not be three different management systems standing 9001 14,001 and 18,001. Instead, we will be having a single standard which would comprise of 45,001 only. Thus, since safety will improve, there's an improvement in the confidence and improvement in the reputation of the organization, and stakeholders' confidence in an organization will also improve significantly with ISO 45001 implementation. That is it in the comparison part today. If you want to see more such videos like this, a short, crisp videos like this, please stay connected to Mr. Safety. Thank you guys. Stay safe and healthy.